5. 10 to beat. 1 shot. 2 shots. 3 shots. 4 shots. 5 shots. We've all run this drill before. Anybody got any questions? Anything outside the silhouette, you're disqualified. You're ready. Stand by. No penalties.
All right, damn.
Next shooter,
Like
please.
y'all speed is gonna get me. I know.
I don't know.
All right.
I'm gonna have to really try.
Oh, this is cake.
I'm rusty, I'm telling you.
What was the time, Mitch?
8.2.
Okay.
Shooter ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Okay, 9.09 plus 2.
Which one? Oh, I see it.
I didn't even see that, Mitch. Well,
Oh, spinning.
That'd have been a kill shot. I don't give a fuck.
That's all good. I hiccuped a lot.
That is 11.09 for Warsaw.
Warsaw. Oh, you?
He's Polish. He may not be Polish, but he is to me.
His name sounds Polish.
You ready? Stand by. No penalties.
Just made
Oh,
on
you got
one
a
of them.
miss?
Fuck. Are you serious?
Yep.
Something's better than I did.
11.07, Tony.
Huh?
You didn't go as far
It's a
back.
17. Full mag.
He got us on that.
Oh,
You did say full man.
Yeah. It's made for us. If you miss one. Okay, never mind. You're not going to be able to make up the shot.
No.
You ready?
Yep.
Stand by.
You running a fucking Uzi there?
6.74, 7.74, 8.74, 9.74, 10.74. That's it, 10.74.
Yeah, I'm happy with that run. I'll take those couple misses. Those little high, I'll fucking take those all
We're
day.
going to rifle now.
Mitch hasn't gone.
Can I shoot?
If you'd like to. The last time I've run this, I had empty chamber. It went click. What was that? What, 4 misses?
Yeah. Hurry up.
Shooter ready.
Ready.
Stand by. No misses, 9.01. Good job, bitch.
All right, that's it for pistol today, fellas.